And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Hey everyone, it's been once again a very warm afternoon across the valley with high temperatures reaching the upper 80s and lower 90s, and things are very quiet on the radar. We expect quiet weather here in the valley for tonight. Let's pan up the north to the radar. Let's pan the radar up north rather, and you can see what's going on just west of Corpus Christi and south of Alice. We are seeing severe thunderstorm warnings just south of Alice. These are moving to the east. Again, not affecting the valley, but these are producing some heavy rain and some strong lightning as they move to the east. Even worse up north, take a look at this. This is towards Hillsboro, just north of Waco and south of DFW. A tornado warning just southwest of Hillsboro as these thunderstorms push off to the east and over to the southeast. A lot of severe thunderstorm warnings. This is between Austin to the west and Bryan College Station to the east. Plenty of severe thunderstorm warnings for the Bryan area as well as Rockdale. And these thunderstorms move off to the northeast, or moving off to the northeast. There's a front stalled out over central Texas. But again, for us here in the valley, things will stay quiet. Another front comes in tomorrow for us, but they'll only give us just a 10% chance of a shower for tomorrow. Temperatures right now, look at that, 99 degrees in Rio Grande City, lower 90s in Edinburgh and McAllen, 91 in Weslaco, 89 degrees in Raymondville and Harlingen, 87 degrees in Brownsville. So here's your evening planner forecast. We'll start off partly cloudy and very warm at 7 o'clock this evening with temperatures in the upper 80s. We're down to 80 degrees at 9 p.m., partly cloudy skies, and then 77 degrees at 11 o'clock tonight. There is a chance for some patchy overnight fog. So there's one front draped over central and east Texas. Because of that front, because of the instability in place, we're seeing thunderstorms, some of them severe, even one producing a potential tornado just to the south, or rather to the north of Waco. But for us, much quieter here. There's another front out west over New Mexico. That's going to arrive here by tomorrow during the day, I think around midday or so. Now, it will still be warm even behind the front tomorrow afternoon with high temperatures in the lower 90s, and there's only just a 10% chance of a shower here. But behind the front tomorrow afternoon, the humidity will drop, the winds will crank up, so the fire danger will be elevated tomorrow. Fire weather watch is in effect from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. tomorrow for Hidalgo and Starr counties because of the drop in humidity and gusty winds behind the front. Still very warm tomorrow, but then it is going to be cooler come Tuesday morning. When you wake up Tuesday morning, those low temperatures will be in the upper 50s. So you want a light sweater or jacket before school or work in the morning on Tuesday morning, as well as for Wednesday. The low temperatures Wednesday morning will also be in the upper 50s. It will still be warm during the day on Tuesday and Wednesday with highs in the low to mid 80s, but at least it will not be humid. Then as the high moves off to the east, the humidity returns for late Thursday to Friday and Saturday, and it warms up once again. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast this evening, shifting to the northwest tomorrow at 5 to 10 knots. The bay waters are a light chop. Your next tide is a low tide at 10:30 tonight, and the seas are 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, it's mostly cloudy. There is a chance for some patchy overnight fog, and it's mild and muggy with low temperatures around 71 degrees. Then for tomorrow, we'll put in just a 10% chance of a shower, stray shower at that. Partly cloudy, turning breezy in the afternoon behind the front with a high temperature of 93. We'll have winds out of the southwest early in the morning, shifting to the north at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Those winds should shift to the north even ahead of the front. The front comes in, as I said, around the midday hour. Here's that 7-day forecast, and look at that. It's going to feel much nicer on Tuesday with morning lows in the upper 50s. High temperatures are in the lower 80s, but it is not humid. A lot of sunshine Tuesday and Wednesday. The morning lows are in the mid 50s on Wednesday, still quite cool. And then it's a warming trend for the rest of the week with the high temperatures back to the upper 80s by Friday and then potentially 90s for next weekend. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Now here's